from
That
new
would be something.
teams, we also should have some claps for Ipswich Town.
Oh
Exactly.
yes,
Wow.
yes.
This season has been a story for underdog, right? So Shreya, you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
go
yeah.
ahead with that because
Yeah,
I think
like
you created
Ipswich
a
Town.
great
Yeah,
reel for the same. Yeah.
Ipswich Town.
That is doing good lately, and if you haven't, तो हम लोग थोड़ा लिंक विंक कहीं चिपका देंगे. देख लेना.
Check out our Insta
आज तो
page.
मतलब एकदम ऐसे बॉम्ब ड्रॉप हुआ है हम लोग का हर जगह. एवरीबॉडी लो लो तुम भी देखो तुम भी देखो तुम भी देखो.
The tractor boys are here, not the farmers.
Yeah,
the
so
same.
basically Ipswich, a team who was in the championship, have come up after quite a while, and then League One is below championship.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
So they were a team in League One where they were really lowly placed, Ipswich Town. So they got this assistant coach of Ole at Man United, that is Stephen McKenna.
Kieran McKenna.
Kieran McKenna.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Stephen.
Steven is McLaren. Kieran McKenna.
Okay, yeah, sorry. Kieran McKenna. Kieran McKenna, who was the assistant coach of Ole, he took over, and I think he brought the club so much change and a double promotion in 2 back-to-back years, from League One to the Championship, and then coming second in the Championship table after beating Coventry.
Wow.
Yes.
So is it the
So-
first time double promotion happening?
2012 में हुआ था साउथहैम्पटन के साथ जिसने ये काम किया था.
Yeah.
उसके बाद ये
So
हुआ.
this is not the first time. There have been 5 teams before Ipswich also, but it is their first time back to Premier League after 22 years.
Fantastic
So-
man.
Nice.
And fun fact, guys, Ed Sheeran is a lifelong fan of
He
Ipswich.
has some
Oh wow!
shares in the
Another
club.
reason to say.
I think he has some stake. I'm not
He
sure.
has some stake in the club. Yes.
इतना
But
पैसा
he-
है
but
उसके
he's
पास
a
तो होगा
lifelong
ही.
fan.
होगा ही उसके पास इतना पैसा है जब इतना बड़ा फैन है वो.
That would be cool,
No,
na?
but-
Like next season, he'll be coming to watch the games as well.
Yes,
He will
yes,
be milking so
Yeah,
much
there'll be
content.
so much fun.
Yeah.
He'll milk. And but then
बोलेंगे थोड़ा
Ed
सा
Sheeran-
ओपनिंग सेरेमनी भी हो जाता तो
but Ed
एक आध
Sheeran has something like
परफेक्ट हो
Stafford.
जाता.
पहला मैच ही आर्सेनल वर्सेस इप्सविच कर नहीं सॉरी आर्सेनल नहीं सिटी वर्सेस इप्सविच कर दिए विनर के साथ. सिटी जीतेगी
But
गाइस. सिटी
Arsenal
जीतेगी.
से होता है यूजुअली न्यूली प्रमोटेड टीम आर्सेनल से होता है वो हमेशा हारते हैं. Brentford also did the
Arsenal,
same.
Brentford will never forget.
And that always happens on Shreya's birthday 13th August for some reason.
वही वीक में ओनली द
वही week में होता है. Usually
But-
Yeah, my birthday starts with
But
the
it's fun. It's fun to see all the
Different way.
newly promoted teams, like different teams coming up
Yeah,
from the
different teams.
championship.
So this time, guys, all the teams that had come up in Premier League who had got promoted to the Premier League are the same teams that are getting relegated as of today.
Because Luton Town is 3 points away from Nottingham Forest with the same number of games.
Okay.
So
Possible
and
है कि
they
वो
have
खत्म है.
36, not 35. So they have all these teams have only 2 games left. So if this guy Nottingham Forest get a draw in the next game and Luton lose,
They are playing Chelsea.
Done.
They are playing Chelsea by the way. Nottingham Forest. Yeah.
okay.
We have to beat Nottingham Forest to make.
Luton रहेगा Luton. We will fight for Luton. Okay. We will fight for Luton.
Proud because even
Yes.
Luton के matches भी, I mean, nothing very favorable. They have West Ham. I don't think
West Ham, I hope they do.
West Ham at West Ham's home, the
And
London
Fulham.
Stadium,
Fulham might
and then
beat them.
Fulham.
Fulham are okay.
फुलम थोड़ा सा चैलेंज हो सकता है.
Fulham हो सकता है because Fulham is Luton is playing their home game.
वो होम में तो दे प्ले वेरी एग्रेसिवली. हम लोग भी वहाँ पे खेले
Probably
हैं.
the
Fulham
last PL
played.
home game.
Probably the last PL home game.
And just imagine if they just escape. If they manage to escape, it will be fantastic, man. ये वो छोटा सा स्टेडियम देख के अच्छा लगता है यार. प्लीज उनको
हाँ,
मत भेजो नीचे यार.
Cute.
प्लीज यार
It's
कुछ
cute,
करो
it's
यार.
cute.
The 4 teams that I'm seeing right now, other than Leicester and Ipswich, that might come up, are the same teams. I think
Yeah,
Leeds, Southampton, West
Southampton.
Brom, Norwich. ये दे सेम टीम्स है वो यो जैसे ऊपर जाके.
Also Huddersfield Town, I guess हम लोग अभी बात कर रहे थे एक दिन. I guess मितुली बोल रहा था. And
मैं
sorry,
बोल
विशाल
रहा
बोल. Huddersfield Town are going to League One. They were just like
They are-
4-5
they are
seasons.
almost relegated.
या 4-5 seasons पहले they were in the Premier League and उनकी हालत
League.
इतनी खराब हो गई. मतलब देख सकते हो आप.
Yeah. I
वहाँ
was seeing
से
Ipswich के आज उन्होंने ट्वीट डाला था Ipswich ने We are back to Premier League ऐसा कुछ जो भी We are Premier League.
was back.
No, Ipswich का तो उसके कमेंट मैं कमेंट्स में पढ़ रहा था हाफ ऑफ द कमेंट्स पर easy 6 points for City 6 points for City starts with 6 points next season. There was so much trolling.
And
I hope they prove them wrong.
And United fan base में कमेंट चल रहा है we are losing to Kieran McKenna aren't we?
वहाँ पे ऐसा चल रहा होगा वहाँ पे Ipswich वाले बोल रहे होंगे 6 points from United coming.
बट मितुल सेरिया में बता कि नीचे का क्या हाल है. बहुत टाइट था टेबल. क्या अभी भी उतना टाइट चल रहा है सेरिया में टेबल की? इज देयर एनी क्लैरिटी नाउ?
It is. एक क्लैरिटी मिल चुकी है हमें. Salernitana is definitely going down. Right?
Okay, all
From
right.
signing players like Boateng, Frank Ribery,
Yeah.
Ochoa,
Yeah.
out of the random players खरीदे और they had incredible fan base. Another southern team. क्योंकि in Italy, you know, mostly teams you will find is northern team. Like अभी भी अगर आप 20 देखोगे, I'm sure 15 से 16 या even 17 teams are from north of Italy, and only 2-3, including Napoli, one of the biggest out of them. That is a southern team, right? So there's always a saying कि you know southern football is underdeveloped या फिर उनको थोड़ा stereotypically वैसे देखते हैं सब. तो Salerno being there and a direct neighbors to Napoli was a great thing to watch क्योंकि उनकी derby भी थी. But now they're going down, and even the teams that are coming up from Serie B is Parma. They just today they have
Parma.
won the title Serie B, and now they are officially you know the top table toppers of Serie
Buffon
B.
was there ना Parma.
एक आध सीजन
He
बुफॉन का और देखने
retired.
मिल जाता तो अच्छा लगता.
हाँ यार, he retired just before the season and they qualified
Yes,
यार.
yes,
That would have been
yes.
such a great story, but कोई नहीं, उसके हार जाने से शायद करके प्रमोट 2 साल था तो नहीं हो पा रहे थे. Yeah, anyways, and then Como might come. That is another northern team.
Yes,
तो हाँ,
yes,
ये
yes.
थोड़ा सा हाँ, they are just 2 points away. I think it's very tight between Venezia and Como. Whosoever, if Como draws and Venezia wins, then Venezia is going through. Otherwise, Como has to win.
मतलब
That is the
नेक्स्ट
thing.
ईयर फिर अगर वेनेजिया मतलब जर्सीज भी उनकी तोड़ आएगी फिर से
Venezia,
Como
that
also have
jersey.
good. यार, imagine
हाँ,
Venezia and Como
whale
दोनों
वाला
आ जाए.
Yeah. I love the Como.
If Como comes up, then Fabregas is
Fabregas,
to the
Fabregas.
Thierry Henry and Fabregas, they both are also owners, like have some you know minority stakes as well in the club. They have big plans,
Oh.
and Como is like, if you see their Instagram, they every day tweet about so many tourists coming to you know watch the games as well. They have a great tourist network. Like जो भी tourist आता है Como में, they give them tickets and थोड़ा photos shoot करवा देते हैं and ask them to write an interview. So this is something they have made a great, incredible community. They have a very small stadium, but उनके international fans are great. And one more thing they do good is, whenever they win, Como में जितने भी उनके partner bars हैं, सब में free beers होती है for the people who are sitting there. So even if you are not a fan of football, you still get a.
भाई चलो Como का ट्रिप
So,
प्लान करो.
That is good,
Como.
and they also do a lot of cute things for kids. अगर आप kids लेके आओगे अपने साथ, they get a scarf. They have games on near the grass and all. Like अच्छा है, they do good things. So which they are developing a community, which is very good. I like
Oh,
such clubs that
totally.
give it back to the community. Like that is why Venezia was also there, because the Venice city is facing extra, you know, water level recently. It's getting overflowed and coral life वहाँ पे खराब हो रही है marine animals का. So they promised कि हम जब भी रहेंगे, from the kid signs, we'll be donating and helping the community. So I like such
Wow,
clubs, you know, who do something for you know the clubs like
community.
Cagliari that might be going down, who knows, this season. तो Cagliari another club, वो Sardinia island है एक in Italy. I'm not sure if everyone knows that. So
Yes.
they have a pact कि उनके title sponsors will always be for someone from Sardinia. They don't take anyone else, which is very good, very very good. Imagine Chelsea making it as a pact कि हमारा London based ही कोई company रहेगी यहाँ पर, या फिर you know Juventus doing for Torino as well. तो this is something they do good. उनका कभी Sardinia Bank होता है, कभी Sardinia Beers होती है, like छोटे छोटे, but they are the title sponsors. And every kit में कोई टीचर से करवाते हैं कभी किट का रिवील, कोई पियानो वाला फ्रॉम सार्डिनिया इज डूइंग द किट रिवील. सो दे डू इट फॉर कम्युनिटी. तो कोमो अगर आता है तो आई विल बी वेरी हैप्पी कि ऐसा कोई क्लब विल बी.
Yes, Como का जर्सी तो एक.
क्या पता
श्रेया
India
के
में Como
श्रेया के
आता है.
विश लिस्ट में आ गया है एक और सामान. कोमो के बारे में बट
So Como is not just tourism. Like Lake Como,
Yeah.
now they are building a, and just beside the lake you have a stadium, man. Imagine
Yes,
the
Yeah.
scenes.
Yeah.
You're sitting watching the match और पीछे मुड़ के आपको
correct,
दिख रहा है.
correct.
That would be-
Stadium.
उसका
Yeah,
स्टेडियम एक बार देखा था, and I remember
Yeah, it's-
seeing the
it's
water, and I'm
gorgeous.
like, wow.
It's
Beautiful.
gorgeous.
yeah.
And then you have mountains also nearby, so it's perfect place, you know, to be at.
Yeah, for a football lover, perfect place.
Perfect place.
So still two places are not are undecided, na, that who are going
Undecided,
down in
yeah.
Serie A, है ना? Okay.
Udinese भी था, but
हाँ.
now even Sassuolo, भाई, everyone thought that Sassuolo is finally getting relegated. Sassuolo is the Robin Hood club of Syria. सब बड़ी टीमों को पेलता है. Yesterday they defeated Inter 1-0
Oh my
at
God,
Inter's
come on.
home. Inter को ट्रॉफी मिलनी थी इस मैच में क्योंकि वो जीत चुके हैं तो उनको ट्रॉफी पकड़ाएंगे at San Siro. They defeated 1-0 Inter at their home.
Yeah.
And everyone was like, you know, in Syria ऐसा चल रहा था मतलब ट्विटर पे कि finally today Sassuolo gets relegated, but they won it, man, damn it, and they did a double over Inter this season. They have
Yeah.
defeated them twice. They have defeated Juventus also 4-2 एक बार this season.
Yeah.
They have defeated Milan. I don't know this team. They do this. पूरे 6 क्लब को हराते हैं छोटी टीम से 5-0, 4-0, 3-0 हारते हैं. Like तुम भी लो भंडारा कर देते हैं. I don't know what tin pot mentality, but they might just, you know, still be there.